Hello my dear students, today I will teach you about some birds and animals. This is a tiger. A tiger is a wild animal. A tiger is also known as a national animal of India. This is a peacock. A peacock is a bird. A peacock is also known as a national bird of India. This is a monkey. A monkey is a wild animal. This is a cock. A cock is a bird. This is a crow. A crow is a bird. This is a camel. A camel is also known as a ship of a desert. This is a horse. A horse is an animal. This is a duck. A duck is a bird. This is a pigeon. A pigeon is a bird. This is a goat. A goat is a animal, pet animal. This is a sparrow. A sparrow is a bird. This is a cow. A cow is a pet animal and a cow gives us milk.